I would like to say thank you. Thank you to all our customers, our loyal customers that continue to support us, that continue believing in us. You are the reason CADVision Systems to continue to grow stronger and stronger year after year.
I like the format, which allows a very good interaction between the customers.
I'm so happy to be here today in the SolidWorks Innovation Day. I would like to thank CADVision for the invitation.
I think what CADVision's put together here today in Malaysia is a really, really great example of exactly what we need to be doing. Bringing together designers, engineers, thought leaders from different companies to kind of talk and exchange ideas and really talk about how simulation can help drive innovation.